Hello and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. And today, I'm very excited to bring you all the Skullcandy Method Active Wireless In-Ear Earbuds. Let's take a look at them. You can currently find this pair of headphones on Amazon's website for only $29.99, although they go on sale from time to time, and not to be confused with the same model that features A and C, because that one costs $79.99. There's something to be said about Skullcandy's packaging because it is matte black and it definitely takes me back to my high school emo days. In the box, we get a small carrying pouch. We get the earbuds themselves, as well as additional earbud tip sizes and earbud tip wings so you can adjust them to your own liking, in addition to a Type A to micro USB charging cable. Now here are the Skullcandy Method Active Earbuds. They are very nice, very attractive earbuds. They are magnetic. They do attract to each other once you put them next to each other, but it is a very nice and attractive pair of headphones with, or you already know, your volume up, volume down, in-ear controls that also double as forward skip and backward skip, not to mention the play pause button in the middle that's also going to allow you to answer and end phone calls. Here is the earbud tip design itself. It is, again, an earbud tip with an earbud wing that gets attached to it for you to be able to customize your shape and design to your liking, and so that it tailors you and so that it fits you the best way. And then this is what the Skullcandy headphones would look like once they are in your ear and when you are wearing them. Honestly, they feel a little bit heavy in the ear. I wouldn't go ahead and go on a mile jog with them just because I feel like they're gonna fall out of your ear as soon as you either jog or as soon as you climb up a few steps with them. So they will come up as Method Active on your Bluetooth set list, and you can go ahead and click on them, and they will stay connected once you have them connected. These are a fairly good pair of Bluetooth headphones. However, they have the highs turned up and the mids turned all the way down and the lows turned all the way up. They're typically V-shaped scoop. However, they're a fairly adequate pair of headphones. I mean, for that price range that they have, I would go ahead and snack them up. However, the one main thing they do have them going for them is that they do have that tile functionality where you can go ahead and find them through your tile app. However, I wouldn't go ahead and go out of my way. I wouldn't go ahead and, go out of my way to get these unless they were absolutely on sale. Go ahead in the comments. What are your thoughts on these headphones? Let me know about other adequately paired headphones that are in a similar price range. And as always, thanks for watching.